And some new information just coming in tonight in a deadly outbreak of COVID at a long-term care facility in eastern Arizona. Nearly a dozen residents have now passed away from complications due to the virus. And for the first time, Haven of Lakeside and Pine Top is commenting on the outbreak, saying employees are also testing positive. Navajo County health officials are also now linking cases from that facility to spread in the community. Our Nicole Grigg, the first to break this story, and shares this update.
We spent days trying to talk with anyone at Haven of Lakeside, and 5 days after our story, they're releasing their first statement. The long-term care center is outside the Show Low area, and tonight health officials sharing just how big the outbreak is. Navajo County confirming 73 residents and staff members have tested positive. We know the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid lists the facility with 62 beds occupied, and sadly we're learning of 11 deaths. Today, Haven's management team finally putting out a press release saying, quote, the prevention and treatment of COVID-19 throughout the country in nursing homes has proven extremely difficult and is affected by a number of factors, including the availability of proper COVID-19 testing, the obtainment of personal protective equipment, supplies, and continually changing guidance by a number of agencies.
This is why it is critical that we test the staff on an ongoing basis.
We spoke with Dana Kennedy with AARP last week about the cases inside Haven of Lakeside. Her office has been looking into the facility since then. They're sharing with us that more than $9 million in CARES Act money has been given to more than a dozen Haven facilities across Arizona. The Lakeside location received more than $687,000 from the HHS Provider Relief Fund.
I want to know what their infection control program is. Are they following it? Who is overseeing it? Do they have one person that is in charge of infection control? The research shows when you have at least one person overseeing infection control, the numbers go down.
The facility leaders do not have to tell the press or the public about positive cases, although to be transparent, other homes across Arizona have. They do say they are testing staff weekly and only saying in a statement, quote, Haven of Lakeside confirms there are both residents and employee cases of COVID-19 as previously reported to CMS and local agencies. The county said in a statement that several remain hospitalized. I was actually supposed to speak with a woman on camera today about her mother who tested positive at this facility. She is in the hospital. However, she found out that she will likely now have to put her mother on hospice. Reporting in Phoenix, Nicole Grigg, ABC 15, Arizona.